Dada Boudi Biriyani Barrackpore. Dada Boudi Biriyani is a household name in the Indian state of West Bengal, known for its delectable biryanis that have won the hearts and taste buds of people across generations. Located in the bustling town of Barrackpore, Dada Boudi Biriyani is a small eatery that has been serving some of the best biryanis in the region for over 3 decades. The menu at Dada Boudi Biriyani is quite simple, with just a few options to choose from. I decided to try the mutton biryani, which is the restaurant's signature dish and a favorite of regular customers. The biryani was served on a large plate, with tender pieces of mutton cooked to perfection, nestled amidst aromatic rice that had been flavored with saffron and spices. They told me stories of how they had been coming to Dada Boudi Biriyani for years, and how the taste and quality of the food had remained consistent over all these years. One day at Dada Boudi Biriyani Barrackpore was an experience that I will never forget. The food, the ambience, and the people all combined to create a unique and unforgettable experience that I would recommend to anyone who loves good food. The food, the ambience, and the people all combined to create a unique and unforgettable experience that I would recommend to anyone who loves good food.